Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me, and this is part two of this series they were trying to do text to path on a can and make it look like like a, a real logo on a can, on a cylinder of anything. So I just did this one, but I thought I'd show how to maybe make it a little bit easier for reference. We've got our can there, so we're going to Control D and make a duplicate of it, and then we're going to move our can straight up to there. What we're kind of doing is giving ourselves kind of like a guideline to do this with. So let's zoom in here a little bit. We're going to take our epilogue and the word epilogue and bring it into our, basically we've got a vessel there to put it into. Now we're going to get our envelope tool, and I'm dead on right there. So we're going to take these two and just move them straight up to there. And what the top line is doing now, it's giving me a reference. Before I had a bottom line to do this, and I'm not quite all the way there yet. But now I've got a top line. I'm doing the same thing. I'm just matching up those lines. So it's that easy to make that. Now let's get rid of that top line and just move this text up a little bit. And it'll look like a real label. Now some people are going to say while they're watching it, well, you could use the envelope tool up here under effects and make an envelope like I just did. But a lot of times you're not going to get a perfect, you can get it probably as perfect, but you're going to do some trial and error where I'm already done. Now I love using this envelope docker, but sometimes, difference between putty and original and vertical and horizontal, it gets a little confusing where I'm already done. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.